In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to draw a line with an angle in Autocad. This is one of the most important basic skills in Autocad because precise angled lines are used everywhere in technical drawings, floor plans, mechanical designs, and construction layouts. First, let's make the process easier by enabling dynamic input. This feature allows you to type distances and angles directly beside your cursor while drawing. To turn it on, press F12 on your keyboard. You can also check the status at the bottom of the Autocad window. The dynamic input button should appear highlighted. Now, let's start drawing the line. Type line into the command line and press enter. Then click anywhere in the drawing area to choose your starting point. As you move your cursor, Autocad displays distance and angle values near the cursor. This is where dynamic input becomes really useful. To create a line at a specific angle, first move your cursor roughly in the direction you want the line to go. Then press the Tab key until the angle field becomes active. Now type your desired angle. For example, type 45 for a 45-degree line. Then press Tab again to move to the length field. Next, type the length of the line. For example, enter 100 if you want the line to be 100 units long. Finally, press enter. Autocad will instantly create a line with the exact angle and length you specified. One important thing to remember is that Autocad measures angles from the positive x-axis. So 0 degrees points directly to the right, 90 degrees points upward, 180 goes left, and 270 goes downward. You can repeat the process to continue drawing connected angled lines for more complex shapes. There's also a faster method many advanced users prefer. Instead of using Tab, you can type the distance and angle together using this format. At symbol, distance, less than symbol, angle. For example, at 100, angle symbol, 45.